In this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize your Windows terminal like the way you want it to look. So hey guys, this is Vishwet. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So let's get started. So I have already made a video on how to install and set up Windows terminal. If you have not watched that video, I highly encourage you to watch that, which is this particular video, install Windows terminal. Definitely you need this. Install Windows terminal. There is command prompt, which is very different from what we are talking about. Command prompt is a separate tool, and Windows terminal is a separate tool, so you should not get confused. My terminal might look a little bit different than yours, so I have also installed git bash. Okay, I have installed git bash and terminal, both of them together, so my terminal might look a little bit different. So if you want to also install and set up git bash, you can watch this particular video, the 5th video. So then we will be on the same page. Now I'll show you the particular website which I use to customize. So the website is Windows, I'll search it, Windows Terminal Themes. So this is the website I use. Now if I open it, you can see there are so many themes over here. So many of them are present. You can, if you need a dark theme, you can click over here, get the dark theme. If you need light theme, you get the light theme. Okay, there are multiple light themes present, multiple of them. If you want the dark theme, I'm assuming most of the people will be wanting a dark theme, so you can go to the dark theme and check out. The best way to check out is to click on next, 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 next. I think even arrow keys work. Do they work? Yep, they work. So you can check out whichever theme you like. I think you can also click over here and hover down. Yep, even this also works. So let me take this particular theme. Which one should I take? Cyberdyne. Okay, let me take this theme. Now I'll close this. Okay, where is my terminal? I'll open my terminal. So this is how my terminal looks like. This is because of I have also installed git bash, but your terminal might look something like this. Okay, which is good. Now if I go to settings, if I want to apply that particular theme, now there might be multiple ways that you might know, or you might see someone talking about that particular way. But I always use the particular JSON file to work around with it. I'm using Windows Terminal since almost the first week when it came. So there are a lot of options that got added, and under that options, lot of sub options that got added. But I know the best way to do it is to open JSON file. Even that makes it simpler for me because I worked with the JSON file. So if you click on that JSON file, it brings you to here. This is the first line. The thing that you're supposed to do is you come down, come down, come down, and you can see schemes. Okay, just put a line, paste your theme, I should say. You should paste your theme over here. This is your theme that I pasted just now. Add a comma, don't forget the comma. That will remove the syntax error. Save that. Now close this particular file, close your terminal, Windows terminal, and again you open your terminal. By default it opened git bash, and for you guys it might open the command prompt, which is completely fine. Go to settings, open, I don't need to open the JSON file again. You come to the defaults option, come to the default option, then come to appearance. Here, okay, I forgot the theme that we copied, which was Cyberdyne. Now if I click over here, you should be able to see Cyberdyne, which is over here, Cyberdyne. If I click that, hit save, it is applied. If I go to command prompt, see it is applied. dir, it is applied. ls, it is applied. Fine. ls -l, You get the idea, right? So it is applied. So successfully we are able to do this. Now, actually, there are a lot of things that you can check before selecting a theme. Like you can check how it looks. Then, I mean, all the options are there. They should have added more. I should say, even this is fine. This is well and good. Just failed, just running, Cypress run, CRA compiled. Would be happy if they have added some Python stuff over here. But fine, no issues. We get the idea. So you can see this works just fine. If I want to apply maybe a light theme, let's suppose tomorrow, let me take this particular theme. The thing that I want to test is whether command prompt will change into, I mean, white theme or not. So I'll just open the JSON file. I'll just paste, I'll just put a line, paste it, put a comma, it removes the syntax error. Close this. We need to close this also because it needs to load the JSON file again and changes needs to be reflected. Now, if I go to settings, if I go to default, appearance, Cyberdyne, we should be having, what was the theme that we copied? Tomorrow. Okay, we should be having tomorrow, which is over here, tomorrow. If I hit save, we should be seeing a white theme. Even if I go to command prompt, we are having white theme. Nice. So this is how you can customize your terminal program. So now, for example, if you want to customize your git bash in different way, command prompt in a different way, okay, there is actually a setting for that, I should say. So if you can see profiles, so we are setting the default profile on all the places. If you want to change it more, maybe for git bash I want a dark theme, so you can come to git bash, appearance, change it to maybe Tango Dark. So now git bash has a darker theme. And for command prompt, I want a violet theme. So I'll come to command prompt. I'll come down, appearance. I want a violet theme. Maybe this one, sulfur one. Okay. At layer, sulfur pull. If I save it, it might not be there in a system because you can find it over here. Sulfur thing. Okay, it should be present somewhere over here. Yeah, at layer sulfur pull. So if you test that, if I test that, if I save, done. So I am having a different theme over here. I'm having a different theme over here. That is possible. We can do it. So if you are facing any kind of issues while selecting this particular option, you can definitely always tinker with the JSON file. If I open the JSON file, let me show you how it looks like. So if I open the JSON file, now you can see. So there if you check the JSON file very carefully, you can see profiles. You can see profiles present. Now you can see there is a default profile. Then these are the terminal programs that we worked on. This is for Windows PowerShell. This is the particular setting. This is for command prompt. This is for maybe Azure Cloud Shell. This is for Git Bash. Okay. And these are the themes that we have. And if you come a little bit up, this is the default setting that we have. So if there is any issue that you are facing, you can definitely come and change your theme over here. Maybe for example, let me take another theme. Maybe I want a different theme called as tomorrow. Okay, I can maybe a different theme, not tomorrow. Maybe a different theme. Why I'm not able to click this? Maybe Argonaut. Okay, Argonaut. If I want Argonaut, okay, it should be applied. Now, this is This is very simple. If I save this, close all tabs, if I open the terminal again, now if I open settings, now if I go to defaults, appearance, you can see Argonaut. Argonaut is applied. Now you might not see it being applied over here, not even in command prompt. Okay, the reason being we manually came and applied our themes, right? So come to git bash, appearance. If you reset, it resets to the default theme. Save it. Now go to command prompt, appearance. If we reset, this is a reset button. If you reset, it resets to default theme that is applied, which is Argonaut. Now if I check, this is Argonaut applied to my git terminal and my command prompt. So if we change it voluntarily over here, if we come over here and change themes one by one, it will override the default value. Okay, I hope I am not complicating it. So that's how you can change the themes. Better you can just change the default. Don't touch these options. That will be good. So in the upcoming videos, I will tell you how you can customize maybe the cursor, the fonts. Okay, we can do a lot of things actually. We can change the cursor, we can change the font, we can change the font size, and I think there are pretty few things we can do it. So that's all for this video. If you are able to work this out, do press that like button, and I'll see you in an awesome upcoming programming video.